Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets finished up mixed yesterday. You had corn and wheat trading lower while beans finished the day higher. They've been mixed so far this morning. We got crop progress out yesterday afternoon. Corn harvest came in around 84% complete. Bean harvest came in around 91% complete. And then winter wheat good to excellent ratings came in around 65% complete. We also got winter wheat planting and emerge data, but those are well on their way to being done, right around the 5-year averages, if not a little better. So we're not going to go over those today. If you want to see them, head over to grainanalyst.com. They're under the daily report, where you can Google crop progress, find it, and access it from there. Moving forward to today, weather remains pretty much ideal throughout the Midwest. Harvest should wrap up through corn and soybeans within the next 10 days. The weather outlook is ideal and shouldn't be too many factors prohibiting guys from getting out in the field and completing harvest. So as such, a lot of the attention is going to move over to South America, and right now their weather is seen as nearly ideal as well. Brazil, which is in a pollination stage as far as their crops are concerned, and still planting some beans, but corn's starting to get out of the ground. They're expected to have near to normal rains, so that's good for them. And then Argentina, which is still planting, they're expected to have around a 10-day dry spell. So outlook is good for there, so it's hard to see any rallies sustained right now. A lot of the rallies that we've seen this week and last Friday were due to the fact that we had a lot of short covering going on. Of course, there were some bullish factors to the report as well, but a lot of the support was due to short covering. So it'll be interesting to see how we move forward. Now that most of that is probably complete, seeing beans take a step back this morning is likely due to that. But it'll be interesting to see how we move forward, and a lot of the focus is going to shift towards South America. They're expected to have a pretty big crop this year, so with ideal conditions there forecasted for right now, it'll be interesting to see how prices move forward. So stay tuned to the Wilkins Ag Wire, as we'll always keep you updated on what's going on and keep you informed about what's going down there so you can make decisions based off that. And don't forget to check out grainanalyst.com to get some insight over there as well. So thanks, and have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.